Hi there, students. To impugn. To impugn is to doubt the truth of something publicly, to cast doubt on something, to say publicly that something is untrue or wrong, to accuse something of being false, to argue against it, to question the validity, to challenge the validity of something. So the gutter press are always impugning the honesty of politicians. Are you impugning my ability as a teacher? Are you suggesting I can't teach? Are you impugning me? So if you impugn someone, you are suggesting that they're not honest, they're not good at what they do, they're a bit inept. I think it's a good thing to impugn the claims of a salesman and really question their validity, if they're true or not. You could impugn somebody's reputation. So I think the impeachment of Mr. Trump publicly impugned his honesty. Okay? So to call into question, to cast doubt on. Notice this verb to impugn is a regular verb. He impugned, they have impugned, but it's very formal. I'd probably give it something like an 8 in formality. Don't use it in an informal conversation in the pub. To cast doubt on, to question, to argue against. Use this in something semi-formal or very formal. It's a great word to show your wonderful vocabulary when writing in an exam. Okay, this word to impugn comes from Latin, impugnare. Pugnare means to fight or fight against. So you're fighting against something. You're saying it's not true, it's not valid, he's not honest, he's not good at his job. To impugn. You're questioning the validity of something publicly. They are impugning his religion, and he's getting very upset about it. He has the right to religious freedom. They are impugning the efficiency of this system, and maybe there's a better way to do it. They impugned his ability as a musician, okay, to challenge, to call into question. So there you go, a very formal verb. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, impugn me if you want, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.